Today I am reviewing the ONERugged Industrial Panel PCB 10A. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a reliable industrial-grade all-in-one PC built for 24/7 operation, stability, and real-world business environments, the ONERugged Industrial Panel PCB 10A is designed exactly for that purpose. This isn't a consumer desktop or gaming system. It's a purpose-built machine made for industrial control, automation, monitoring, and continuous business workloads where reliability matters more than anything else. At the core of this system is the Intel Core i5-1235U processor, a 10-core CPU designed for efficient performance and low power consumption. In real-world use, it handles multitasking smoothly, whether you're running monitoring dashboards, industrial software, or multiple control interfaces at the same time. It's optimized for stability rather than raw gaming power, which makes it ideal for industrial environments where uptime is critical. Paired with the processor is 16 GB of RAM and a 128 GB SSD, which ensures responsive system performance and fast boot times. Applications load quickly, system navigation feels smooth, and data handling remains efficient even under continuous operation. While storage isn't massive, it is sufficient for industrial software, control systems, and essential operational data. For extended storage needs, external solutions can easily be connected through its wide range of ports. One of the most impressive aspects of this panel PC is its fanless design. Instead of relying on active cooling, it uses a solid aluminum heat dissipation structure, which allows for silent operation while also improving durability. This design reduces dust intake, eliminates fan failure risks, and enhances long-term reliability, making it perfect for factories, workshops, kiosks, and continuous use environments. Connectivity is another major strength. The ONERugged B10A is built like an industrial hub, offering a wide range of interfaces including 4 USB 3.0 ports, HDMI output, dual LAN ports, and 2 RS-232 COM ports. These RS-232 serial ports are especially important for industrial automation systems, legacy equipment, and machine communication. This level of connectivity ensures compatibility with a wide range of industrial hardware, from sensors and controllers to monitoring systems and external displays. The inclusion of dual Ethernet ports adds another layer of functionality, allowing for network redundancy or separate network segmentation, something highly valuable in industrial and enterprise environments where network stability and security are critical. In terms of display capability, the system supports HDMI output with 4K resolution support, making it suitable for dashboards, monitoring stations, digital signage, and real-time data visualization. The visual output is sharp and stable, ensuring clear readability of critical information in control environments. One of the biggest advantages of this system is its industrial-grade reliability design. It is built to operate 24/7 continuously, with strict testing standards for temperature resistance, vibration resistance, and dust protection. This means it can perform consistently in demanding environments such as manufacturing floors, security systems, or warehouse operations where consumer-grade PCs would struggle or fail over time. The system also includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity, giving it flexibility for modern wireless setups while still maintaining its focus on wired industrial reliability. This makes it adaptable for both traditional industrial systems and newer smart factory environments. In real-world usage, this panel PC excels in scenarios like production line management, industrial automation, security monitoring systems, point-of-sale setups, and equipment control interfaces. It is also commonly used in smart manufacturing environments where centralized control and monitoring are required. Another key advantage is its compact, all-in-one design, which integrates computing power directly into a panel form factor. This eliminates the need for a separate desktop tower, reducing clutter and making installation much easier in space-constrained environments. It can be mounted directly onto walls, control panels, or industrial stations, making deployment highly flexible. Of course, it's important to understand its purpose. This is not a gaming PC or a high-end creative workstation. It is designed for stability, continuous uptime, and industrial reliability, not entertainment or heavy GPU workloads. However, within its intended use case, it performs exceptionally well and delivers exactly what it promises. In conclusion, the ONERugged Industrial Panel PCB10A is a robust, dependable, and highly functional industrial computing solution built for long-term operation in demanding environments. With strong connectivity options, fanless durability, stable performance, and 24/7 reliability, it stands out as an excellent choice for industrial automation, business control systems, and professional monitoring setups where failure is not an option.